Hello, second grade. All right, first of all, I apologize for this glare here that you can see. It's from the light and I can't really fix it. But anyways, I hope you are all doing well. Today we're gonna do lesson 108 and it is called Subtracting Two-Digit Numbers Using Dimes and Pennies, Part 2. So last week we did part 1 on Thursday, and this week today it's basically a review. So we're just going to do a couple more practice problems and that I have on the board, and then you can get to your homework, which will be worksheet 108. So let me check. Yeah, 108. All right, so I have 3 examples on the board that I'm going to explain. And if you have any questions or if you thought I went a little bit fast, please email me or leave a comment in Google Classroom and I'll be happy to help you. All right, so let's start. Okay, so we have 45 minus 31, 60 minus 36, and 52 minus 38. All right, so the purpose of this lesson is that we're learning how to use dimes and pennies to do two-digit number subtractions. So we'll start with very simple problem that you probably know how to do already. 45 minus 31. So if we go down to here, we know that this side, 4 and the 3 are dimes, and this side is pennies. So, well, what is 45 minus 31? So on the pennies side, we're going to do 5 pennies minus 1, which is 4. Okay. There you go, 4. And on this side, dimes. 4 dimes minus 3 dimes is 1. So the answer would be 14. Okay, 14. All right, now let's do this one. 60 minus 36. Now we know that this side is pennies and this side is dimes. So do we have enough pennies to subtract 6 from? No, we don't. So this here, we're gonna put 1 here, okay, at the top of 0, which means that we're borrowing 1 dime from the dime here. So we're going to cross this out and make this a 5, okay? And so now we're going to do 10 minus 6. Well, what is 10 minus 6? 10 minus 6 is 4. All right. And now we have 5 dimes left here. 5 minus 3 is 2. 24. So again, we didn't have enough pennies here to subtract the 6 from, so we had to borrow a dime from the dimes here, from the 6 dimes, and therefore we had 5 left over. All right, let's do our last example. 52 minus 38. Now, do we have enough pennies to subtract 8 from? No, we don't. So what we're going to do is we're going to borrow a dime from here, from the 5. So we're going to put 1 here. We're going to cross this 5 out because we just borrowed 1 dime. So we have 4 left here. So what is 12 minus 8? 12 minus 8 is 4. And what is 4 minus 3? 1. So 14. So that's how you do these subtractions. If you are struggling with this and you need extra help and you have questions about how we borrow a dime from the dime side or pennies, anything like that, please leave a comment or email me and I'll be happy to help you out. But that's the lesson. We're just reviewing what we learned in lesson 107. Your homework is lesson 108. And if you watch this video, please put a big smiley face at the top of your lesson 108 homework before you submit it. All right, bye.